Hi, can you tell us more about your research?
Yeah, sure. My name is Dima Bondarev and I with a great pleasure joined Jyvaskyla University to do my research project within PANINI network on the role of psychological factors and physical activity in neuromuscular performance amongst middle-aged women.
What attracted you to aging research?
Well, first of all, current demographic change that's occurring now is overturned pattern of disease, disability and of course aging. This makes aging is a very important topic. Within the time of just several generations, life expectancy rose from 40 to 80 years. Every day we gain 6 hours of life expectancy, and those who would live 150 years is probably amongst us. So during 100 years we have outgrown current biological and social order. On the other hand, my background is in exercise science, and unfortunately in this area current textbook just stopped when a person reached adulthood, 20-25 years. So this has sparked my interest to aging research, and I would like to do this important step to advance this area and current trends in society.
What is your role at the department?
At Jyvaskyla University there is a great opportunity to do a project like this. There is Neuromuscular Research Center and Gerontology Research Center. They create some kind of an ecosystem where multidisciplinary projects around biology, physiology and psychology could be implemented. For example, current project that is going on is ERMA, estrogen regulation of muscle apoptosis, and the aim of this project is to investigate in more details mechanisms behind age-associated muscle weakness. So within this project there is ongoing collection of data on various physiological variables as well as psychological variables. So my task is to investigate in both cross-sectional and longitudinal design effect of psychological variables like personality trait and well-being as well as physical activity or neuromuscular performance amongst middle-aged women.
How will the experience that you gained prior to joining the PANINI project help you with your new position?
Well, my background is in exercise science and I used to work for a while as a lecturer in exercise physiology and exercise psychology. So I always thought about doing projects where I could combine both areas. And this project gives a great opportunity to combine both physiological and psychological variables in one theoretical framework to explain aging processes.
What is the greatest challenge of your new position?
Well, the greatest challenge for such a project is to make it sustainable, so that it would be possible to transform its finding into meaningful interventions. Well, concentration on just poor science is probably important as a first step, but understanding how this function, for example in policy implementation, should be somewhere also on the background.
What are the greatest opportunities of your new position?
Well, the opportunities here are enormous with just so many expertise under the same roof. Ultimately, I do believe that I developed here necessary skills and collaboration within PANINI network would allows me to do my independent research in the future. Thanks.